Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Vegan Meat Lady. Today we'll be making jalapeno shocker sausage with vital wheat gluten, broth, and jalapenos. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of vital wheat gluten. And this right here is dehydrated onions. That's 2 cups of broth with 4 tablespoons of vegan ham broth. And then I put all of the liquids into the broth. So that is 1 capful of onion juice, 2 capfuls of garlic juice, if you don't have garlic juice or onion juice, you can use apple cider vinegar. It's to get rid of that gluten taste. And then I use like a half a capful of liquid smoke, a tablespoon of the better than bouillon roasted garlic. And make sure you dissolve it. That broth is warm. And you're going to use 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You don't want to, you don't have to, but I like the fat. I would use some type of oil though. And this right here is a secret ingredient, the mushroom seasoning. You can find this at the Asian market. It's cheaper at the Asian market. They sell it on Amazon also. Add a little at a time, a third at a time, because you won't even eat all of it most of the time. And I had forgot to put the jalapenos into the broth. So then I pulled out the food processor. You'll see that next where I struggled. But this is the consistency you want. You want to keep like kneading it. And then it's going to like on itself when I tried to put the jalapenos. But that's okay. We're going to work it. That's why I got the food processor out. Now, on this next part, don't y'all laugh at your girl. Stupid thing. Ugh. Got it. I was trying to push more jalapenos in there, but I just pulled it off and shoved more in as I went. Now you twisting, pulling. And just that's it. And you're not overworking it. And that's it. And then roll it. They have molds. I've never used them. But you can try them if you want. I was going super fast, so it wasn't all pretty and neat. But it got the job done. You can make them as thick or as thin as you want. You'll have to steam them longer for the thicker they are. You can use these for nachos, chili, you name it. So you're going to put your water in there and your steaming rack. See how messy mine are? I just was wrapping them fast. That's being a caterer in me. And my daughter, she made hers neat. Steam them for 30 to 45 minutes, but you want them to be firm when they come out. Get a little butter. Vegan, of course. Put them in there and saute them. They're already fully cooked because you steamed them. You're just getting a little brown on them. Now let me tell y'all, my Amazon package came from my 25th wedding anniversary, so I burned a side, but they were still good. And I'll let y'all see how the inside look. And thanks for coming back again, guys. Yummy.